Yeah, we did it. Yes. Wow, that's great. We did it. Wow, that was cool. Hey, have you ever wondered how your life would change if you multiplied your monthly income by 5 or even 7 times? What would you do first? Buy a car, help your family, travel the world? Hi, my name is Simon Becker. I'm a professional trader, and for the past 8 years, trading has allowed me to live the life I've always dreamed of. Today, I have it all. A Lamborghini Huracan, a lakeside mansion, the ability to support my parents, and the freedom to travel to different countries whenever I want. But most importantly, I help others achieve the same. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to start generating income through trading, even if you've never done it before. I'll give you a step-by-step strategy that 16,000 members of my Telegram channel are already using by simply copying my moves. Watch until the end because I'm gonna show you how trading can become your path to financial freedom. Let's get started right now. Stop! Before we continue, I have some crucial information that will help you kickstart your trading journey. Have you ever thought how successful trading is not about complicated schemes, but rather a clear and structured plan? Over 9 years in trading, I've developed a strategy that even complete beginners can understand. My private club now has over 16,000 members where I share every single step I take in the market. Here's what you'll find inside. Live trading insights. Every day I hold practical workshops where I break everything down in a clear and simple way. A step-by-step guide on how to start from scratch using a straightforward strategy, even if you're a total beginner. A global trading community. You'll be surrounded by like-minded individuals, and on top of that, you'll have my personal guidance. I'll be there to help you at every stage. We work together every day, analyze the market, and learn as a team. Right now, access to my community is completely free, but that might change soon because I personally answer all beginner questions and help with training. So don't miss out, click the link in the description below and join our club now. Take the first step toward real success in your life. I'm waiting for you. It's time to get ready for a trading session. Right now, I'm gonna walk you through one of my strategies that works for both beginners and experienced traders. I'm starting with just 10. Let's see how much I can make by the end of this session. So you can see my balance is only 10. I withdrew all my savings on purpose to show you the final result clearly. Now let's do a quick setup. Trade time 1 minute. Trade amount 10. Candlestick time frame 30 seconds. We're selecting 6 pairs, my favorite: Australian dollar and Canadian dollar, Australian dollar and Swiss franc, Bahraini dinar and Chinese yuan, Euro and Swiss franc, Euro and Japanese yen, and Australian dollar and United States dollar. Now let's get to the most exciting part, indicators. For this strategy, we'll use 2 indicators, stochastic oscillator and zigzag. Stochastic helps identify market dominance, whether bulls, the buyers, or bears, the sellers, are in control. If stochastic is above 80, the asset is overbought, meaning the price will likely to go down soon. If stochastic is below 20, the asset is oversold, meaning the price is likely to rise. Second indicator, zigzag, connects the highest and lowest price points. If the chart crosses itself, it shows a trend change. Zigzag helps filter out minor price movements so we can focus on the bigger trends. The combination of these 2 indicators allows us to analyze price movements and find the perfect trade entry point. Now I'll show you how to use them in real time. Euro and Swiss franc. The price reached a peak and started a downward movement with a small correction, which we'll take advantage of. On the stochastic indicator, the blue line crosses the orange line from top to bottom, confirming a downtrend, so we open a lower, pressing the red button. The overall downtrend continued, the trade closed successfully, not a bad start. Switching to the Australian dollar and Canadian dollar currency pair. On the chart, we see a strong uptrend with a slight correction. The stochastic is below the 20 level, meaning the asset is oversold and is starting to reverse. The blue line crosses the orange one from bottom to top. We open a higher. The indicators worked perfectly, showing the perfect trade entry point. Let's keep going. Now let's move on to the third trade. We have Australian dollar and United States dollar. We can see that the price has tested the same level twice but failed to break it. The indicator shows that the price second peak was lower than the first one, indicating an upcoming downward reversal. The perfect point to open the lower is at the peak of the green bullish candlestick, and there it is. Perfect. The score went up again, and this is just the beginning. Euro and Swiss franc. Here we see a downward trend. We just need to catch a correction movement upward. The stochastic is bouncing off the lower level in the oversold zone and starting to reverse. And here it is, a red candlestick with a long lower wick. That's a sign of reversal, meaning we should open higher right now. Finally, we've hit 100 mark, but we are not stopping here. Things are about to get even more interesting. Let's be honest, do you think trading is complicated? 8 years ago, I thought the same thing, but there's a key that unlocks a completely new reality with entirely different numbers. And that key is having an experienced mentor for a beginner. At the beginning of my journey, I was lucky enough to find a mentor who guided me every single day for an entire year and taught me how to trade. I simply followed his lead, and little by little, I started understanding how to read the market. Now, I am that mentor for over 16,000 people on my Telegram channel. Every day, I give clear instructions on what to do. They follow my steps and get results. Just yesterday, my subscribers collectively made over 380,000 simply by copying my trades. This doesn't require prior experience, complicated charts, or hours of analysis. It's simple. I show you what to do and you just repeat it. And here's the greatest part. All my materials, notifications, and live sessions are completely free right now. So don't wait, click the link in the description below, subscribe to my channel, and start your journey to success. I'm waiting for you. Seriously, do it now, because there is a chance you may never come across one of my videos again. Euro and Japanese yen, the trend has already reversed here. The zigzag indicator is showing a peak, and stochastic is in the overbought zone, starting to turn around. The orange line crosses the blue line from top to bottom. We open a lower. Another trade followed by our scenario, not bad, but I want more. Australian dollar and Swiss franc. The chart shows that the price tested the level twice but failed to break through and move higher. The stochastic indicator entered the overbought zone, making it ideal to open a lower trade near this resistance level. Let's enter the trade now, pressing lower. Perfect, that was a smart entry. Awesome, almost 485. We've picked up a great pace. Let's keep going. Bahraini dinar and Chinese yuan. Here we see how the price was moving sideways near the upper level, and as soon as it broke through the resistance, stochastic went beyond the upper boundary into the overbought zone. At the same time, the blue line of the indicator crosses the orange line from top to bottom. This shows the start of a downtrend, opening a lower option. Whew, that was risky. That's exactly why I always tell you, stick to risk management so you don't lose everything by accident. But we increased the score again. Awesome, let's keep moving. Euro and Japanese yen. The stochastic indicator has been in the overbought zone for quite some time now. The second indicator zigzag has hit a maximum. Let's catch the highest point on the candlestick and open a lower option. Perfect, plus 1,787. Now, stay calm. Emotions are not your friend in trading. Take a deep breath and let's move forward. Look at what the Australian dollar and Swiss franc are offering. The price has reached a local minimum around 0.577. Stochastic has dropped below the 20 level into the oversold zone. This means the trend is likely to go up soon. And there it is. The blue line crosses the orange line from bottom to top, indicating the beginning of an uptrend. Waiting for the green high button. Another successful trade. Now we need to focus on the final trade to hit our goal. Euro and Japanese yen. During an uptrend, we see a correction as the price dips slightly. Stochastic crosses the lower level and enters the oversold zone, starting to reverse. We press higher and wait. Mission accomplished. 5,730 from the last trade go to our score. Our total trading result for today is 6,164. I think this is a solid proof that our strategy works. So now you understand that practical knowledge and strategies proven by years of practice are the key to success in trading. Every single day, I share my real-time trade setups inside my private club. Everything you need to start your trading journey is right there. I also host live sessions daily where I personally teach beginners everything I know. And you know what's even better? My Telegram community has an amazing atmosphere of support and collaboration. Members motivate each other to reach new heights and work together toward financial freedom. Many have already transformed their lives through trading. Now it's your turn. If you're ready to join us, here's what you need to do. Subscribe to my private channel by clicking the link in the description or the pinned comment. Send me a direct message and I'll personally guide you every step of the way. You can become part of our huge community today, but don't wait. This is your chance while access is still free. Don't miss out. I'll see you in Telegram. See you next time and good luck with your trading.